What's up, guys? I'm Travis, and this is Woodstyle Shinobi. On today's video, we are going to start on my new build, okay? It's going to be for our Halloween-esque competition type dealio. So I'm going to go with a Sleepy Hollow Headless Horseman based build, okay? This is going to be my first non-anime / video game character I'm basing this build off of, so wish me luck. This one is going to be a lot of firsts for me, alright? So it's going to be headless, it's going to be fan fret or multi-scale, if you will, and I will because I think fan fret is patented, but I don't know, who knows, I don't really care either, but comment down below if it's already patented. Anyways, headless, multi-scale. It's going to be a hollow body because Sleepy Hollow, you know. Had to. Didn't have to, but I had to. Yeah. Semi-hollow, headless, fan fret. Dude, it's going to be gnarly.
Move along, sir.
Anyways, if you like the video, don't forget to hit that like. And if you really like the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe. And also don't forget to comment, because we love to hear what you guys say. Anyways, let's get to chopping wood. Later. Alright, guys, well, thanks for watching this whole video. This is what we got for it so far. Yeah. So, if you haven't... Really? The roof? Really? If you haven't figured it out, this is going to be the neck area. I cut it down right here, as I probably word bubbled it, because I want to put a top on it, okay? So, I'm put a top. Here's the heel-esque area. you know, I'm gonna have the headless tuners and stuff. I put some extra meat on here because I didn't want to. I wanted it to look more fluid than it would. Next episode, we're gonna glue some wings on here and hopefully hollow the body. Anyways, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, ding that bell, all that good stuff. Watch the rest of our videos if you have time. Check out my brother's Halloween build too. Anyways, I'll see you on the next one. Later.